Stop! Everyone listening right now, stop what you're doing. Before you go to the supermarket today, you absolutely need to know these 3 phrases, or you might end up buying the wrong thing. I'm not joking.
Wait, what happened? Did someone actually buy the wrong thing?
Oh, yes. Last week, my student Maria walked into a supermarket, asked for chicken, and guess what she got?
Chicken breast?
Nope. Chicken feet. She was so embarrassed.
Oh no, that's exactly why we need this episode.
Exactly. So by the end of today's 20-minute podcast, you're going to shop in English like a native speaker. Ready to learn?
Absolutely, let's do this.
Welcome, everyone, to Easy English Podcast. I'm so glad you're here with us today.
Yes, and today's episode is super practical because we're talking about something everyone does, going to the supermarket.
That's right. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just want to practice English, you need to know how to shop for groceries.
So what exactly are we covering today?
Great question. Today, you'll learn how to find any product in the supermarket, what to say at the checkout, how to ask about prices and deals, and of course, those 3 essential phrases we mentioned.
I love that this is so practical. People can use this immediately.
Exactly. So imagine you're walking with us right now. We're opening the supermarket doors together.
I can almost hear them opening.
Let's go inside and start learning.
Okay, so we just walked through the doors. What's the first thing that happens?
Usually, an employee greets you. Listen to this common greeting. Good morning. Welcome to Fresh Market. Do you need a shopping cart or a basket?
Okay, so they're asking about a cart or a basket. What's the difference?
Perfect question. A shopping cart is the big one you push around. You know, the one with 4 wheels?
Oh, like for big grocery shopping.
Exactly. And a basket is the small one you carry in your hand. It's for just a few items.
Got it. So how do I answer?
If you need a cart, just say, yes, please. I need a cart. Simple, right?
Super simple. And if I just need a basket?
Say, no, thank you. I just need a basket. Or if you don't need anything, say, no, thank you. I'm just looking.
I love how polite these phrases are.
Politeness is key in English-speaking countries. Now, let's say you're in the store, but you can't find what you need.
That happens to me all the time. What do I do?
Here comes the magic phrase that will save you so much time.
Ooh, I'm ready. What is it?
Excuse me, where can I find... and then add what you're looking for.
Wait, that's it? That's simple?
That's simple. Let me say it slowly. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Okay, I can do that.
Perfect. Now let's practice with different products. Ready?
Ready.
How do you ask for bread?
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
Excellent. Now eggs?
Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?
Great. One more. Tomatoes.
Excuse me, where can I find the tomatoes?
You're a natural. Now, what will the employee say back?
Good question. They'll tell me where it is, right?
Exactly. They might say, sure, the milk is in aisle 5 in the back of the store.
Aisle 5? What's an aisle?
An aisle is like a street in the supermarket. It's the space between the shelves. Aisle 1, aisle 2, aisle 3, and so on.
Oh, so it's numbered to help me find things.
Exactly. And if they say in the back, it means far from the entrance. In the front means near the entrance.
This is making so much sense. But what if the product isn't available?
Great question. That brings us to important questions you might need to ask.
Like what?
First question, is this in stock?
In stock. Does that mean available?
Exactly. It means they have it right now, ready to buy.
So I could say, excuse me, is this bread in stock?
Perfect. The employee might say, yes, we have more in the back. Let me check. Or they might say, sorry, we're out of stock today.
Out of stock means they don't have it.
Correct. It means sold out, not available right now.
Got it. What's the second question?
Do you have this in a different size? Maybe you want a bigger bottle or a smaller package.
That's useful. I always need different sizes.
And the third question, when will you have more? This is for when something is out of stock.
So I'm asking when it'll be available again?
Exactly. The employee might say, we'll have more tomorrow morning, or we get deliveries on Mondays and Thursdays.
These questions are so practical. Can we practice a real conversation?
Absolutely. Let me be the employee. You ask me about organic milk.
Okay. Excuse me, do you have organic milk?
Yes, aisle 5 on the left side.
Thank you.
Perfect. See how easy that was?
Okay, so I found my products. Now I need to know the price.
Here's something super important. There are 3 ways to ask about price, but most students only know one.
Really? Tell me all 3.
First way, the simple way. How much is this? Just point at the product and ask.
How much is this? Easy.
Second way, the polite way. Excuse me, how much does this cost?
That sounds more formal.
It is. And the third way, the native speaker way. What's the price on this?
What's the price on this? I like that one.
It sounds very natural. Now, what about deals and sales?
Oh, yes, I love a good deal. What should I look for?
You'll see signs like buy one, get one free. That means you buy one, you get two.
That's a great deal.
Or on sale means it's cheaper than usual. 50% off means half price.
And 2 for $5?
That means if you buy 2 items, the total is $5.
How do I ask if something is on sale?
Just say, is this on sale? Or do you have any deals on milk today?
Perfect. Okay, I found everything and got my deals. Now what?
Now comes the most important part, paying at the checkout.
I'm a little nervous about the checkout. There's so much talking.
Don't worry, I'll teach you exactly what to expect. Listen to this real conversation.
Okay, I'm listening.
The cashier says, "Hi, did you find everything okay?"
Oh, so they're asking if I found what I needed?
Exactly. Just say, "Yes, thank you," or "Yes, all good."
Easy. What's next?
They might ask, "Do you have a rewards card?"
A rewards card? What's that?
It's a loyalty card that gives you discounts. If you don't have one, say, "No, I don't." If you do have one, say, "Yes, here it is."
Got it. Then what?
They might ask, "Would you like to sign up? You can save 10% today."
And if I don't want to?
Just say politely, "No, thank you. Not today."
Perfect. And then they tell me the price?
Yes, they'll say, "Your total is $42.50, cash or card." So they're asking how I want to pay. Exactly. Say, "Card, please," or "Cash, please."
And then I pay?
Right. They'll say, "Go ahead and insert your card," or "Tap your card."
Insert means put it in the machine, and tap means touch it to the machine.
Perfect. You got it. And at the end, they'll ask, "Would you like your receipt?"
The receipt is the paper with everything I bought, right?
Exactly. Say, "Yes, please," if you want it, or "No, thank you," if you don't.
This is so helpful, but what if something goes wrong?
Great question. Let's talk about common problems and how to solve them.
Okay, what's the first problem?
Problem 1. The price is wrong. You saw milk for $3 on the shelf, but it scans as $5.
That's annoying. What do I say?
Say, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. This was $3 on the shelf."
And they'll fix it?
Usually, yes. They'll check and say, "Oh, you're right. I'll fix that. Sorry about that."
Good. What's problem 2?
You're at the checkout, but you forgot something.
Oh no, I do that all the time.
Just say, "Oh, I forgot something. Can I quickly go get it?"
And they'll let me?
Usually, yes. They'll say, "Sure, go ahead." Then you run and get it.
Ha, I'll have to be fast. What's problem 3?
You changed your mind and don't want something anymore.
How do I say that politely?
Say, "Actually, I don't want this. Can you remove it?"
Remove means take it off the list?
Exactly. And the cashier will say, "No problem," and remove it.
See, every problem has a solution.
That's the right attitude. Now, let me share 3 cultural secrets.
Ooh, cultural secrets. I love this part.
These are things native speakers do that you might not know about.
Tell me the first one.
Secret number 1, bagging groceries. In the USA, someone might bag your groceries for you.
Wait, really? Someone else puts my items in bags?
Sometimes, but in the UK and most of Europe, you do it yourself.
Good to know, so I shouldn't just stand there waiting.
Exactly. Secret number 2, small talk at the checkout.
What's small talk?
It's friendly, casual conversation. The cashier might ask, "How's your day going?" Or, "Any plans for the weekend?"
Oh, what do I say?
Just keep it simple. "Good, thanks. How about you?"
That's friendly. What's the third secret?
Secret 3, returning items. If you buy something and don't like it, you can return it.
Really? How?
Go to customer service and say, "Hi, I'd like to return this," and bring your receipt.
How long do I have to return it?
Most stores accept returns within 30 days.
That's good to know. Okay, I think I learned a lot. Can we review everything?
Absolutely. Let's see how much you remember. I'll ask questions and you answer.
Okay, I'm ready. Test me.
Question 1. You walk into the supermarket. How do you ask where the milk is?
Easy. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Perfect. Question 2. You want to know the price. What do you say?
How much is this? Or what's the price on this?
Excellent. Question 3. At the checkout, the cashier says, "Cash or card?" What's your answer?
Card, please, or cash, please.
Great. Question 4. The price is wrong. What do you say?
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake.
You got everything right. Amazing.
Thank you, but wait, what about those 3 essential phrases you promised at the beginning?
Ah, yes, here they are. Phrase number 1. Excuse me, where can I find?
That's the magic finding phrase.
Phrase number 2. How much is this? For asking about prices. And phrase number 3. cash or card?
For the checkout, these 3 phrases cover everything.
Exactly. Write them down, practice them, use them.
I definitely will. Let's do a quick final challenge.
Okay, final challenge time. I'll give you situations, you tell me what to say.
Bring it on.
Situation 1. You can't find the tomatoes. What do you ask?
Excuse me, where can I find the tomatoes?
Perfect. Situation 2. The bread is out of stock. What do you ask?
When will you have more?
Excellent. Situation 3. You're at the checkout. The cashier asks, "Did you find everything okay?" What do you say?
Yes, thank you.
You're a superstar. You're completely ready to shop in English. I feel so confident now. And that's it for today's episode. Congratulations, everyone. You just learned how to shop at the supermarket in English. This was such a practical episode. I hope everyone listening tries these phrases tomorrow. Yes, go to the supermarket and use at least one phrase. Then come back and tell us in the comments which one you used. And don't forget to